Hey guys, Glenn Murray. Welcome to my profit resolution review. We're going to show you a demo. We're going to go through the sales page. I'm going to show you my bonuses. I put together a great bonus package for this. If you want it, if you know that you already want to get profit resolution, the link will be below. Definitely recommend this product. This is 11 apps like that. Each one made about $80,000 last year. So you get access to all of them. So it's very, very cool. So first off, let's jump over to the bonus page and see what we're getting. So what's profit resolution about? It's about they bundled their top performing products. You get them all for 19 bucks. And then, of course, I think there's two ways you can upgrade. You can upgrade through each app itself, or you can upgrade through the app, which will give you all the upgrades. So it's better to do the OTOs. So basically, unlimited, done for you, automation, swift profits, limitless traffic, franchise edition, and multi-income edition. So it's basically all the apps that Sale made last year, and you get access to them. So it's very, very cool. We're going to show the video so you can see what they are. And then the bonuses, we're going to give you a profit resolution tutorial on how to list yourself on Fiverr correctly. Because guys, you can use these apps to make a lot of money on Fiverr. We're also going to show you how to do content curation so you can drive traffic to your pages. We've got the lockdown formula, we've got Gemini, and then I've got Saya. I got some special bonuses from him. I'm putting that in the back office as well, so you're going to get exclusive special vendor bonuses as well. All right, so what is profit resolution? Well, I said let me help you kickstart 2023 profitably with get one-click access to 11 automated apps that made us $500,000 in 2022. So pretty cool stuff, guys. Let's go down to the bottom here. Where so you got more bonuses here. So you get these are the ones you get: Click Cash Extended, Crypto Pays, Cloud Drive, TV Profits, Swirl, Tube Pays, Freebie Cash, Interaction Extended, Googler Cash, Photo Pays, and Maximum. Guys, I made sales with all these apps. Like all of those apps I made sales this year with. So it's pretty amazing stuff. So let's go over, and here's we've also got the 60-day live event. We've got traffic booster secrets. We've got YouTube live cash, 1K per day recurring membership site, profit resolution. So let's go see if this is for you. So we're going to jump over to the video. It's just a little short 4-minute video. I'll let Sayo explain to you what it is, and then we'll come back and we'll go through how you get your hands on this. It's pretty basic. If you want to make money online products, this is a great way to get 11 kick-ass products. So here we go. Let's watch the video.
You're welcome to this tutorial video. In here, I'm gonna walk you through how to make use of profit resolution. Profit resolution is an all-in-one software which incorporates about 11 amazing and impactful software which we have designed over time. This software allows you to access other software products like Maxima, TV Profits, OTO, Swirl, Crypto Pays, among others. So now once you are able to log into your account, this is exactly how your dashboard will look like. And on the sidebar here, you're going to have dashboard, you have my products, you have support, upgrade, and bonuses we have for you, right? So once you come here, you just click on my products here, and immediately you'll be taken to this interface here where you have all the products listed out for you. We've got Maxima, Crypto Pays, TV Profits. You see we have 2Pays, we've Swirl, Freebie Cash, we have Click Cash, Interaction, Google Cash. We also have Cloud Drive, we have Photo Pays, like that. So you can actually create your account by yourself by clicking on register. Okay, now let's start with Crypto Pays. And then you'll be taken to this interface where you have to input your name, your username, email, and password here, right? So now your account must have been successfully created, and then you can now log into your account, right? So what you do is to just input your email here, Isaac Michael at gmail.com. Then your password, and you click on login. And then you will be able to have access to your dashboard immediately, right? And this is the CryptoPays dashboard here. Then you can now make use of all the features that are embedded and integrated into CryptoPays for you, right? This is so beautiful. This is amazing. I mean, this is highly revolutionary. So now let's go back. So it is that simple. All you have to do is to come to each of the software and click on register. You create your account, and then subsequently you log in with the details you've used to create your account. Like that, you can do that with 2Pay, Swell, Freebie Cash, Google Cash, Interaction, Click Cash, Cloud Drive, PhotoPays, like that. It is very simple. It is all in one. So now right here, you can as well come to our support. You can, send out any inquiry. You still want to know more about any of the software, you can easily reach out to us through the support here. And as well, you want to upgrade any of your accounts, you can just click on the upgrade here, and that will be done for you automatically, right? And we have a whole lot of bonuses for you. And the moment you click on the bonus here, of course, you're going to be able to access the bonus packages that we have for you. So that is it about Profit Resolution. Thank you very much.
For a new user coming in.
All right, guys. So that is that's the video. Again, here's the bonus page. This is the sales page. This is what you're going to be taking to. So it's kind of a. Let me see. Get back on here. We'll go there. There we are. It's pretty simple, guys. $20, and you get all those apps. It's like this is kind of a no-brainer product. These apps, if they didn't work, they wouldn't have sold as many as they did. Like they sold thousands and thousands of copies of these apps, and you get them all for $20. So you're getting them for like what, $2 an app kind of thing. There's 11 of them, less than $2 an app you're getting these things for, and you can set them up, get them out there, get them working for you, get them generating income for you. That's how these apps work. That's what they do. You set them up, and they're little. It's your online real estate is what it is. They're out there and they're doing their thing. You just have to point traffic at it, set up some automation of some Twitter posts, Facebook, whatever it is, some content curation. That's why we have that there. So you can start setting up. So I mean, there is AI stuff out there. Here's a great one. An app I use called Marketing Blocks. It will make automatic sites. So you can go make a site on crypto. It will do all the writing, everything for you, and then you just point it to your CryptoPays site, where then you start making commissions there, or freebie cash, or whatever it is. So it's really cool stuff. So check the link below. Go grab it for $20. It's well worth it. And then get all the bonuses. Plus, if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. And if this is not interesting at all to you, and you want to know what my #1 recommended business online is, I'll put a link to that below. I'm also going to throw in my free 10K funnel. So that's a totally free, it's a full training. Everything you need to know about affiliate marketing is there. And you can get that as well. I'll put the link below. But guys, you really want to pick up Profit Resolution. Get in there. You will be added to my list of basically my training list, which gets you also into my Facebook group, which you'll want to belong to, because I do a lot of free training in there as well. All right, guys, that's all I have for you. So go grab Profit Resolution. It's a great product. Like I said, it wouldn't have sold these many, all these apps wouldn't have sold this many copies if they weren't good apps. Okay. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Cheers. Oh, I lost my finish button. Cheers.